Welcome. My name is Ryan Vlashine, Director of Pharmacy for Senior Market Sales. Today I'll be demoing the new Lead Advantage Pro software. After logging in, you will land on the dashboard. The dashboard displays important information about your recent leads. To view your user profile, go up into the right-hand corner and click on your name. You have the option of logging out or viewing your unique profile. All your user information will be displayed here, most of which can be updated by you. If there's anything you need to change but you can't update, simply contact Senior Market Sales. Let's move to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You can navigate to the dashboard, where we are right now, your leads, the calendar, quotes, look at forms, or reports. You'll also find the admin section and the help section. We'll talk about those later. To add a lead, simply click on the plus sign next to leads in the left-hand navigation. Here you can enter your lead. To view leads that you've already entered, simply click on leads. You can search for a lead by clicking on the magnifying glass. You will notice you have a section which shows recent leads, the conversation log, and even recent applications. To go into a specific lead, click on the lead's name. Within a lead, you have many options. You can either quote a product, perform an electronic scope of appointment. Within a lead, you can create a disposition, send an email message, add an appointment to your calendar, add a task to your calendar, or create a note for this lead. Let's quote a product. Select the product you'd like to quote. Let's quote a prescription drug plan. You'll notice the medicine cabinet. You can enter your medications here. You can also delete them or edit them. Down below the medicine cabinet, you'll notice where you would enter or change your provider. In the lower left-hand corner, you would enter and change your pharmacy information, as well as any of the information that you would use in your quote. On the main quoting screen, you have a few different options. You can email quotes to your client. You can perform an electronic scope of appointment. You can modify your quote. You can even update the lead based on the information you entered if it's different than the lead's information. Within these clickable tabs, you can change from the Part D plans to the combined MAPD plans or to the MA-only plans. It's simple to click. Let's look at the Part D quotes. You have different enrollment options for each of these plans. You can find plan documents in the folder on the left-hand side. By clicking on eApp, you can single sign onto the carrier website. By clicking on ACO, you can perform the agent-initiated consumer online enrollment via a link to your lead's email. Let's look at the plan details. We've redesigned the plan details to make it easier for agents to be able to quote Medicare Advantage and prescription drug products. To quote Medicare Supplement, click on Medicare Supplement. Enter the lead's information. Oh, it looks like we forgot something. Let's enter the Part B effective date. Get quote. Since we didn't have the Part B effective date in the lead's profile, we can update it now. It filled in the Part B effective date for us. In the plan document folder, you'll find important plan documents. You can email these to your client. You can report a related problem. You'll notice the buttons that we have for different enrollment types for each plan. This button denotes app by email. Here we have the electronic application you can access by single signing into the carrier portal. Let's send a couple quotes to our client. Select the quotes by clicking in the checkbox and hitting Email Quotes. Click Send. In addition to Medicare Supplement and Medicare Advantage and prescription drug plans, within Lead Advantage Pro you can also quote dental, final expense, life insurance, and long-term care insurance. By clicking on Help in the lower left-hand navigation, you can look at the Knowledge Center, where you'll find answers to your important questions. You can report an issue directly to our team, or you can provide feedback and suggestions. This concludes our demo. We are excited to hear from you, and we hope you enjoy Lead Advantage Pro.